Man, I regretted selling these so bad about 3 years ago, and now we here today in 2024, and we finally have them back in the collection. Let's go ahead and get to today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to the video, man. I appreciate everybody taking the time out the Saturday, you know what I'm saying, and come and see what your boy is talking about. You guys know we showing y'all some heat almost every single day, and we will be doing that full review and on feet over the Air Jordan 4 breads very soon, man. And I put you guys on yesterday over on JomaShop. Right now they have a crazy sale for their Creed collection, for their Creed cologne, up to 65% off. And if you use the code WOW10, it actually takes off another 10% off. So altogether, that's around 75% off. So if you guys want to get your grown man on, even women, they got Creed women, they got Creed for men, go ahead and tap in. It's just a couple of the bottles I got right here, and I got a couple more behind me right there. But this is the Millisime Imperial. And of course, we have the vintage cologne right here, man. Go check out JomaShop. I'm gonna link them down below. Use that link. Go check out ASAP because that sale only lasts for 48 hours. I think we only got about 12 hours left for this crazy sale on the Creed cologne. But man, I just feel like I'm obligated to show you guys these Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Again, the on feet I already shot it. I'm telling y'all, bro, with a couple of pants and the jeans I threw at these. And the cargos, these joints right here is tough, man. And I cannot wait till you guys see the full on feet and review, kind of detailing the sneaker and also comparing it to the 2019 Breads, man. So you guys stay tuned for all that by subscribing and hitting the notification bell ASAP rock. All right, guys, a couple of weeks ago, your boy was tired of not having this shoe in his collection, and I chose just a random app. You guys know I've been going back and forth from eBay, StockX, and GOAT, and I got these right here from the lovely StockX. Let's make sure our pair is G to G and show you guys what we actually have, man. Like I said, I had these originally back in 2016. I might be telling a couple of OGs I probably know what this is. Back in 2016, I had the pair. I hit on them on Sneakers app, which is crazy. I had a Sneakers app dub for a pair of crazy Air Jordans, and then I sold those because I didn't know what I really had, you feel me? Then again, I copped the same shoe in 2020. I think these dropped in 2020 if I'm not mistaken. And then guess what I still did? I sold them because they weren't the original, I guess you could say. And now we're here in 2024 and we have these things back in hand, back in the collection. This time they ain't leaving based off what we are getting this year later down the line. So let's go ahead and pop the lid open and check out what we have. And yes, sir, we do have a pair of Air Jordan 1s, man. And inside, you guys know how StockX come. You got the nice bubble wrapping, but we ain't reviewing StockX. If you guys do want to see a full review over the StockX app, you guys can go check out the video. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box, man. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. I ain't trying to spoil it. I want you guys to hear what I'm saying in this video. I hope you guys are watching, because I got a lot of points to make with this sneaker, specifically based off what we getting later in the year from Jordan Brand. Go ahead and check it out, bro. Just a normal Nike box. You know what I'm saying? Spin it around real quick. And these right here are a woman exclusive. So let me go ahead and read the official colorway. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, black, white, and varsity red. And a couple of you guys probably know exactly what they are right there. Again, shouts out to StockX. Let's go ahead and pop the lid open and see what we got, bro. Let me get the receipt out of there real quick because y'all don't need to see that. Y'all know you get a receipt with StockX. Throw that to the side. And let's check these out. Jordan Brand, y'all really didn't drop the ball. I don't know why y'all didn't just resort to this. Like, why didn't y'all just fall back on this colorway right here, the makeup, the build, the material? I don't know. I really do not know. I feel like they messed up. But let's go ahead and flip these things open, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them guys out. Check them out, man. We have no other than the Air Jordan 1 satin black toes, man. Look at these beauties, bro. You can't tell me these things ain't hard, bro. And now that I have them back in the collection, I'm over here asking myself, bro, why did you sell these so many times? Hey, honestly, I couldn't tell you. Bam, man. Here goes the right sneaker right here. You guys can see the hits, bro, the details, that satin on the back, bro. Hold on, bro. Y'all gotta check out that satin on the back. And you guys know why I'm a little bit, you know what I'm saying, amped up for this video right here, based off what we are getting from Jordan Brand later down the line. You know what it is, bro. The Air Jordan 1 black toe reimagined, and it will be in the rare Air rendition, you feel me? It has literally Air Jordan on the side instead of the wings logo. And shouts out to the homie Unbreakable Kicks. Put a post up right here. Put a post up right here so you guys can see. But it just really reminded me of a couple of Air Jordan ones that did release a couple of years back, and literally people were trashing them. They were trashing them joints. They didn't care about the PE or the promo Jordan 1s at that moment when they had Air Jordan on the side of the Air Jordan 1. But now that it's the black toe, the one that Jordan Brand had over his shoulder during a commercial, during the whole magazine, whatever it was, now everybody loves them. But just a couple years ago, they had these same Air Jordans with the Air Jordan logo on the side sitting, and you can probably get a pair right now StockX for like $30. And y'all probably like, yo, why are you tripping? Why are you saying that? Why are you bringing that up? And that's because I got so much slack about me not liking the Rare Air Black Toe reimagined. Like, I just feel like we shouldn't have got them, bro. If anything, like I said when I first unboxed the sneaker, Jordan Brand should have fell back and just did a satin Air Jordan 1 black toe. They would have sold, they would have did well, and all you probably had to do, man, is probably make a little bit, you know, some more of an age side of things. But guess how many times we got the satin breads? We got the satin breads back in 2017, 2018, one of the two, and then they turn around a couple of years later. You guys can literally see them behind me. We have the satin bread Air Jordan 1s again. So it is what it is. I know a lot of you probably like, yo, we don't want the satin black toe again. But y'all can't tell me these aren't better than the black toe reimagined we'll be getting this year. I didn't even know these shoes are gonna be on my front door today. But when I seen that post from Unbreakable Kicks, and then when I came and I said, yo, these finally delivered, probably one of the ones that had to check off the list, one of the ones I had to have in the collection, I said we gotta talk about it. So I need everybody right now down below in the comment section, man. Let me know if you would have rather had something similar to the satin black toes that we got a couple of years ago, or would y'all want these Rare Air Jordan 1 reimagined black toes? Like, help me out, y'all, please. Help me out. I know I'm probably still gonna have some people talking trash to me, but it is what it is. I don't care what nobody say. These right here are 10 times better than what we are getting later down the line from Jordan Brand. But yeah, guys, I can literally remember this release like it was yesterday. Me and a homie, the Retro Wiz Kid, went to a couple different shoe palettes, thing with the Finish Line, and a couple other spots. I think I ended up getting like 2 or 3 pair, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was like 2 or 3 pair. And then, you know, I was going crazy for, I said, yo, I sold my black toes back in 2016 after I got them. I didn't know really much about the Jordan 1s. I didn't know much about anything, just to be honest. I was just getting out of high school, wasn't too hip on what Jordan wore or this and that, and I literally ended up selling them because I wasn't a huge Jordan 1 fan at the time. And I'm talking about, I sold some things for $200. You guys can look up what the black toes are going for now. You'd be laughing at me. But again, I wasn't hip on what Jordan 1s was going for. I didn't have StockX, I didn't have eBay, I didn't have anything, bro. And I sold that pair. Somebody really got over on me, bro. They really got over on me. And then I looked a couple of years after that. I said, bro, I want them back, man. I like them joints. I don't know why I sold them still before I did YouTube. And I looked, and them joints is going for like $400. And then fast forward to the release of these satin joints right here. I had to have them. And I was like, you know what? I don't want the satin pair anymore. I want to get the OG joints. And so I say, you know what? Jordan Brand gonna bring it to us in a couple of years. It's gonna come. Just wait on it. And now we're here in 2024 and we're getting the reimagined black toe Rare Airs. I'm furious, man. I'm super salty. I'm super mad. But again, having these right now definitely will fill that void for now. Just like I've been telling y'all about the patent leather bread ones or even the satin bread ones. I don't have the original bread ones that dropped in 2016. So those two will fill the void until they do bring back the OG breads and the black toes, man. I'll be fine with these joints right here, man. But again, please let me know down below in the comment section how you feel about these joints. Do you like these, or do you like the reimagined black toes that we'll be getting later down the line? Be 100% honest with me, man. I ain't gonna judge y'all down below in the comment section like y'all always do me every single video, but I'm here for the discussion. I had to have these things back in the collection, bro. I really love that pop out wings logo. The leather material is really, really nice. And I remember even now that I have these, even back when I caught these a couple of years ago, that leather quality was pretty good. But I just feel like Jordan Brand always goes crazy on the women's exclusive pairs. They always give them the best material and definitely some of the best leather. I thought these came with some extra laces, but they didn't. You only got the black But me, myself, I will just keep the black joints in there. I think white might look a little bit crispy, but for now, I'm just gonna keep rocking out with the black laces that came with it. But I'm definitely gonna be wearing these a lot, especially given the fact that what we are getting later down the line with them reimagined black toes. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, check out JomaShop if you want to get your grown man on. You want to get some creeds, you know what I'm saying? You want to get some nice Ventus cologne. Super, I love this fragrance right here. I thought I liked the original Ventus more than this one right here. And then the homie's like, nah, bro, you got to get this one. So I copped it. And I think I've been falling in love with this one a little bit more, man. Check out JomaShop. I'm gonna link them down below. Use that link, save up to 65% off your crease, man. You can't beat that. And again, the full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined will be coming very, very soon. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. What else being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.